Hi and welcome to this week's video. So another Olight review. I absolutely love these little Olights, and there is another sale and it's starting on the 26th of this month. It's their Christmas sale, so I put a link down below for that. Go and check them out. These are little Olights. They're more like, I would say, night light type of things, but they've got this Buddy extra with them just now. I'm going to unpack these, and then I've already got one originally and I'll show you the difference between that one and this one. This is just the latest ones of these. Okay, so it had a cellophane cover on this. I took that off just for ease. Okay, when you open this up, it tells you about the special mode, which we will have a look at, and it tells you how to switch it on from the back. I'll pull out this box first. Oh no, I'll pull out this one first. This is the charging box. Everything's so beautifully wrapped. I know I say this all the time when I look at their stuff, but it is really beautifully wrapped. Ah, nice. That is nice. I should tell you about that bit in a second. They're also in their tiny little instruction for the latest plug adapter. Take this one out. And let's see if we can get this up without wrecking the box. Ah, lovely. So there's the Olight. Your smart Obulb MCs will bring more colour, fun and convenience to your life. Welcome to the Olight family. So this is the little light. Oh, that's so cute. That's a charging dock on the bottom. It's so easy to charge these. Ah, nice. So you lift the bottom of this off, and in here it tells you charging to unlock the product. So it'll tell us about that in a second. So I'll take this off the bottom here. Gosh, this is very tight on there. There we go. So that's just a set of instructions there. A little bag. Oh my gosh. The little bag has got some little eyes in it. Little googly eyes. Put that in there. Okay, this looks like some sort of badge. It is, but I'm not sure where you'd stick it, but so that's that part's done. I'm going to put all this to the side here, beautifully boxed as always. Now with this is how it charges, like that, and then you could have your second one because you've got your USB on the back. So if you've got a second light, which I have here, then that could be charging by the USB, because this one was just given with a little USB. I'll show you the USB for that. So this is the USB, the standard USB, and it's just magnetic to the bottom. So you could have that and you could also be charging that one, so you could have the two charging from that one port, which is really good. So let's unpack this part. Lovely wrapping as always. Right. Oh, very nice. It's made of like a silicone material, really. Very soft. So the light goes onto there, and that's magnetic, and then actually you could just charge him like that. Very simple, really cute. Right, I'm going to charge it, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look, see what it's like after. Really impressed. It's quite a cute kids light. Okay, that's me back. So it took a couple of hours to charge. When it's on this and plugged in as well, it's a motion sensor, so if you go past, it'll light up for you, just like a little night light type thing. So let's have a look now and see what we can get going here. So we got, this is the first mode, so it's quite a dim night light type mode. Press it again, that's a brighter mode. And then we got red, green, blue. This changes through all the colours. Which is a really neat night light. Colours are really vibrant on it. We're going to turn this light off so we can see it a little bit better. That's the bright. We'll take this out. Red, green, blue. That's changing. Now if I hold this for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. No. 1. And that flashes through it a little bit quicker. Now there is another mode on this as well. I'll try and do it. Yeah, we've got the flashing mode. So you could use that on your car if you were stuck out somewhere. Right, let me try again. So there we go, and that's the spinning mode. It's called the challenge mode. Looks amazing, that. The colours are really, really vibrant. That light is really bright. Okay, let's get the lights back on. Okay, so this bit here, it's got a sticky bit on the back, so if you want this night light next to your bed, if you were just using this, you get other ones with these ones. They come with different ones, but that would stick to the wall and that would stick on it, and you just put your light on. So I hope you enjoyed this review video. These are really reasonably priced. Okay, so in the sale these are £9 and these are £21. And another thing as well, these also can go in the bath. They're a completely sealed unit, so you can have them a colour, and you can have them floating in your bath, just in case you fancy having them floating in your bath. Anyway, I absolutely love it. This one is going to be going to my granddaughter. This is the one that she plays with when she's here, because there's actually nothing on it that she can do to herself with it. She often walks around just switching the light on and off. So this is going to be her night light for her room. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check out, I've got my affiliate link below. I don't really get anything by the affiliate link, but it just shows if there's anybody going in looking from the link below. So please, even if you don't buy, if you can go through that link and just have a look in there, it just shows that people are going from my YouTube. And I hope you enjoyed this. This is a lovely little thing, really reasonably priced. I would say that it's probably the best little light that I've ever had for like a night light, and they're very cheap, probably cheaper than a kid's night light. So go and check them out, and thank you very much for watching, and happy Christmas to you all.